What's up, everybody? Today we're looking at a 2025 Barletta Cabrio 22 UC in the Moonstone Gray and Admiral Blue. Awesome looking boat with the blackout rail package. This boat's equipped with the 200 V6 Mercury engine. We will hop on the top side, take a closer look. On the top side of this boat, well equipped with the JBL sound system, RGB light package, and USB and USB-C charging stations right there. Plenty of storage on the front, under all of these seats on both sides. Got the armrests as well. Added comfort in the front as you're cruising along. Midship storage as well. Got our cover in there right now. And then our fold-out table, docktail snack, drink table here. Also a nice spot for your dog to lay under there and get some shade. Got the food and water dish right there as well too. At the helm, got our standard gauges with some digital display options available on your tachometer there. Stainless steel toggle switches, our JBL audio head, and our Simrad as well. This is equipped with the DTS throttle and shift. Automatic canopy switch there as well, along with our on-off key. Wireless charging as well too there at the helm. Nice comfortable captain's seat and co-captain seats. And the Ultra Lounger that can flip a million different directions, however you want to face. You can lay these guys flat. Quick and easy. That can lay completely flat. Lay this guy flat. I've got a big bed, or if you wanted to lounge off the back, here we are as well. Lots of different options here. That RGB light package flows through the entire boat. Power switch is located right there. You can check out this boat on our website at MarineMax.com, or you can stop in at our Crosslake location and see it for yourself.